All right, everything has been stripped clean off of the lawnmower chassis, I guess, frame, whatever. Um, be able to kind of figure out where the uh, 208 will fit on it. It's going to be a pretty big change going from vertical shaft to horizontal shaft. I had belts and pulleys underneath it, as you can see, that came up through the floor again with the jack shafts because the rear end has been lowered. There's been 3+ inches chopped out of it. Yeah, but we're going to put a solid axle. I have a piece of 3/4 inch shaft, keyed shaft that I'm going to use for an axle, and I have a ton of stuff to make that setup work, I think. So what the heck, going to try it. I'm going to try to salvage the brake that's on there. There's a little drum brake from like I don't know, kid's go-kart or something. I got the parts online. I believe those axle shafts are 3/4 inch as well. I think I just need to break the tacks, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, everything has been stripped away, and now we can build it back up better and awesome and have some fun with this. Thanks for checking this out. Oh, you know what? We got to see what it looks like with the engine on there at least. Give me 1 second. All right, so it's definitely sitting on there a little cockeyed, and it does look to be quite a bit wider than the old one. I measured it should fit inside the hood, but it's definitely wider than the frame at that point, but no big deal. It'll fit. We'll make it work. Got to fashion up some mounts for underneath. Gonna have to figure out a sort of chain setup. Kind of comes right out by the steering, not surprisingly. These things always sort of work out that way. Yeah, again, we'll figure this out. Got all sorts of chain and pulleys and sprockets, so we can Frankenstein something together. But yeah, this is going to be pretty exciting. I think this is going to be a lot better than the vertical shaft engine, just not meant for that. This guy has a fresh torque converter on it, and we'll have a chain straight to the back. This will be a good setup.